Good morning, class. Today we are going to talk about the solar system. Who can tell me the name of the planet closest to the sun?
Is it Mercury?
Yes, that's correct. Mercury is the closest to the sun. Now, can anyone name a gas giant in our solar system?
Jupiter?
Exactly. Jupiter is the largest gas giant. Can anyone share something interesting about Jupiter?
I heard that Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot.
That's right. It's a massive storm that's been raging for centuries. Now, let's talk about Earth. What makes Earth unique?
Earth is the only planet known to have life. Why is it called the solar system?
Great question. The word solar comes from sol, which is the Latin name for the sun. Since all the planets revolve around the sun, we call it the solar system.
Oh, I see. So how many planets are there in total?
There are 8 major planets now. In order from the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Wait, didn't Pluto used to be a planet too?
You're right, it did. But in 2006, scientists reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet because it doesn't meet all the criteria set by the International Astronomical Union.
That's kind of sad for Pluto. So what makes a planet different from a dwarf planet?
Haha, it is a bit sad. A planet must orbit the sun spherical in shape due to its gravity clear its orbit of other debris. Pluto fails the third condition, which is why it's now a dwarf planet.
Interesting. So let's go through the planets. What's special about Mercury?
Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and also the smallest of the 8. It has no atmosphere to speak of, so temperatures swing from extremely hot to freezing cold.
And Venus? I heard it's hotter than Mercury even though it's farther.
Exactly. Venus has a thick atmosphere full of carbon dioxide, which traps heat. It's the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures over 460 degrees Celsius. That's enough to melt lead.
And Mars is the red planet, right?
Correct. Mars gets its red color from iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Scientists believe Mars once had water, and maybe even life. That's why there are so many missions to study it.
Like the Perseverance rover?
Exactly. It's currently exploring Mars, searching for signs of ancient life and collecting rock samples.
And Neptune is the farthest?
Yes, Neptune is the most distant planet. It's dark, cold, and has supersonic winds, some of the fastest in the solar system. It's also bluish in color due to methane.
This is so fascinating. I had no idea each planet was so different.
That's the beauty of our solar system, Damien. It's full of variety and wonder. From rocky planets to gas and ice giants, each one has its own story.
Thank you, Mom. Now I feel like an astronaut already.
Haha, that's the spirit. Maybe one day you'll work with NASA or explore Mars yourself. Keep asking questions and reaching for the stars.